Hello everyone! Welcome to the Piano and series by AVA Learn. Today is Piano and Active Listening. We will use piano as a tool to introduce active listening for pianists. We will discuss why active listening is important in both solo and duet piano settings, and how it can help us to improve our performance through this essential skill. Active listening is the process of focusing on the sound being produced and making real-time adjustments to make sure we deliver our music with high accuracy and with a musical interpretation. In solo piano playing, active listening allows us to quickly identify and fix issues like muddiness and imprecise finger placement. It can also help us manage the balance between voices. To practice for us or for our students, we can start with playing a little game here. This is a musical example. Now, let's listen to the inner voice in the left hand. Alright, let's go back to the original music and let's see if we can isolate the voice line that we just heard. Did you feel you can identify inner voice better now? In a piano duet setting, active listening is the key to create a well-balanced performance with the other pianist. We actively listen to each other while playing to make sure the important information, such as the melody, is delivered to the listeners properly. We will talk more about balance next time. Here is an example of the pianists not actively listening to each other's playing. You might find it difficult to locate where the melody is in the music. And now, this is when they are listening carefully to each other and controlling their dynamic in their playing. So, how can we improve our active listening skills? One way is to record our playing and listen back critically to identify areas for improvement. Another way is to practice only the voice line that we want to bring out. It takes some time for our ears to adapt to the sound and for our brains to assign corresponding actions to our fingers. Finally, in piano duet, we keep listening to the playing back and forth between ourselves and others. In conclusion, active listening is essential for creating accurate and expressive music in both solo and duet piano settings. By improving our active listening skills, we can take our playing to the next level and deliver a polished performance to our audience. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this information helpful. Bye bye!